How to buy close a token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 200% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 11 in the Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund mind for that. Now click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. So as you can see, you can't be able to, it seems that it's not available on the wallet. So we will use the REFERRAL. So go and check the REFERRAL, as you can see. So after the page it's load, as you can see, we'll just click on cancel. Now first of all, connect your wallet. I will use the Bitget wallet. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, if you don't see your token here, go back to this token page on the screener. Click here to copy the token address and go back. Click here. Now click on solve. Paste the token address here. As you can see, we'll be able to see this add token. Click on it. Now click on your token again, and you will be able to find it here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. Now click on this more info to read all that information here, and if you are ready to go, just click on swap and you will be able to buy those tokens. So this is how to buy close a token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.